Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is poverty. Introduction. The term poverty refers to the state or condition in which people or communities lack the financial resources and essential for a minimum standard of living. As such, their basic human needs cannot be met. Poverty-stricken peoples and families may go without proper housing, clean water, healthy food, and medical attention. Each nation may have its own criteria for determining the poverty line and counting how many of its people lives in poverty. It's important to remember that poverty is a socio-economic condition that is the result of multiple factors, not just income. These factors include race, sexual identity, sexual orientation, and little to no access to education, among others. Poverty refers to the lack of adequate financial resources such that individuals, households, and entire communities don't have the means to subsist to acquire the basic necessities for a flourishing life. This means being so poor as to struggle to obtain food, clothing, shelter, and medicines. Poverty is both an individual concern as well as broader social problem. On the individual or household level, not being able to make ends meet can lead to a range of physical and mental issues. At the societal level, high poverty rates can be a damper on economic growth and be associated with problems like crime, unemployment, urban decay, education, and poor health. So, what causes poverty? Poverty is a difficult cycle to break and often passes from one generation to the next. It is often determined by socio-economic status, ethnicity, gender, and geography. Many peoples are born into poverty and have a little hope of overcoming it. Others may fall into poverty because of negative economic conditions, natural disaster, or as well as drug addiction, depression, and mental health issues. Other root causes of poverty include limited to no job growth, poor infrastructure, conflict and war, high cost of living, social barriers, lack of government support. Poverty and children. The impact of poverty on children is substantial. Children who grow up in poverty typically suffer from severe and frequent health problems. Infants born into poverty have an increased chances of low birth rate, which can lead to physical and mental disabilities. Children in poverty tend to miss more school due to sickness and endure more stress at home. Homelessness is particularly hard on children because they often have little to no access to healthcare and lack of proper nutrition, which often result in frequent health issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.